In this video, we will cover border designs. Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all today? It's Mehndi Vlogs here. Welcome to my super tutorials. In this series, I will show you how to start your mehndi designs with border. I hope you will enjoy my video, so let's get started. We are starting with a basic design which we can use as a border of our mehndi. This is starting with a small shape and it will be bigger slowly. I am using two type of petal in this design. You can do this to start your mehndi and try to do it slowly. If you can't do it for the first time, then try it again. So keep practicing every day and do your best. The second one is starting like a triangle, which is very basic, but I'm trying to show you how to do it because you are a learner. So I made one triangle with two lines and then I'm making a flower in the middle of this triangle. I'm doing 3 layers of the flower, but if you want to make a different type of flower, then you can do as well. Try your creativity and make your own design. You can watch my first tutorial to know how to create the elements that make up a basic henna design, so it will be more easier for you to make the flowers. I am starting the third flower like a circle. I am not using any difficult elements, so I hope you will try it. And feel free to share your practices and designs with us and post on my Facebook page. We will share your post on our wall. The next one I'm starting with a slightly different design, but it's a flower. I already showed you how to make it. I am adding some leaves, lines and dots as well. You can use this design on the front and back hand. The last one I'm doing with a big flower, then I'm adding some small flowers. And also I'm adding leaves next to the flower. This filler border elements tutorial will help you for all occasions mehndi designs. This is the super tutorial for today. I hope you liked it. Do let me know what you want on the next video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. My best wishes always with you all my subscribers and viewers. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.